pick up the right answer. The main function of cost accounting is to ascertain of a product. Options are A cost, B price, C profit, D cost control. So the correct answer for the same would be A, that is cost. The fundamental objective of cost accounting is to systematically record and analyze expense in order to determine the actual cost of producing a product or providing a service. The determination of cost is the primary function of cost accounting because it forms the base for all managerial decisions. Unless the actual cost of production is first ascertained, effective managerial decision can't be taken. Even for profit determination, cost control and pricing, the cost needs to be determined first. Without determining the actual cost, these activities can't be carried out efficiently. Therefore, cost ascertainment automatically becomes the first step. Summarizing all points, it is clear that determination of cost is the primary and most fundamental function of cost accounting. Therefore, the correct answer right here is option A, that is cost.